Hey everyone, Robert Silver here today, and today I want to share with you what are Instagram collabs and why you should be excited about it. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know that if you're looking for a quick and easy way to improve the final results of your photos, I highly recommend you checking out my Fashion Photography Lightroom preset collection. With one click, you're able to not only save editing time, but also produce more impact of your final work. Click the link below to check out the before and after photos and more details on the presets that I now offer. If you have any questions about the lighting setup or editing process, please post your comment down below in the description section. Instagram collabs allow you to invite someone to collaborate on a feed post or reel so they can share the content with their followers. Essentially, you can co-author content with a fellow Instagram user, and the post will show up on both of your profiles. The first and probably the most obvious reason why you should be taking advantage of the Instagram collab feature is because you'll be able to share views, likes, and comments, allowing you to leverage and engage with each other's communities. After uploading your reel or feed post, go to the share screen as usual, and then tap Tag People. In the bottom right corner, you'll now see an option, Invite Collaborator. After tapping, search and choose the user you'd like to collaborate with. After you've chosen your collaborator, share the post as usual, and the collaborator will receive a request in their DMs. The post will not appear until they've accepted your request. For now, you can only collaborate with one person at a time. To accept a collab's request is really simple. If someone has requested to collaborate on a feed post or reel with you, you'll receive their request in your DMs. Hit accept for the content to appear on both of your profiles, and it's just that simple. Really, Instagram collabs are an excellent opportunity to reach a new set of target audience who might be interested in your brand. This helps you to increase your brand awareness, and it also benefits you because you have the chance of gaining new followers. I hope this video helps you to better understand the huge advantage of using the Instagram collab feature has for anyone looking to further the reach of the content they're sharing. If you liked this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, share, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon for notifications of upcoming videos. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.